In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free US phone number that actually works. The application is going to give it to us. It's called TextNow. You can just Google that on the Play Store, and this is the one that you will be installing. Once the app is installed, it's going to ask you to create an account. Just hit sign up, and you can just do so with your email address. There we go. I provided my email address and a password. It's going to ask you to complete a setup wizard, which is like giving all the permissions to manage the phone, the contacts, and to record audio and all that stuff. You don't really need to. I normally just go for not now, and then I can do it later if I definitely need to. Then it's gonna ask you for a location, and if you're from outside the US, don't hit use my location. You can just click don't use location, and then you provide an area code for a place that you want to appear to be looking for. For example, Florida. I know that a Florida area code is 561, so I just click 561, and then it's gonna give me several numbers to choose from. I can just choose any of these. These are just temporary numbers that are available at the moment. When you choose yours, you will be using it for a while, and then if you stop using it, then it's just gonna be reassigned to someone else. So now you can start a call, you can call people, you can send messages from this number. You can also receive calls and messages to this phone number. So that's it. That's your phone number, 561-581-8792. You can try calling, and you probably will be bothering someone else, because by the time you watch this video, it will be probably reassigned to another person. So hopefully you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more random useful knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a wonderful rest of the day, my friends.